How's it going, everybody? Learning as I grow here. Today we received a little package, so I'm going to do an unboxing review. So, pretty exciting. I ordered this off of Amazon. So a lot of you can probably see. We got a Mars Hydro 600. ts-600 covers a 2x2. 100 watts actual draw. So you can see all the suggested hanging heights if you want to pause the video. All the specs on all the different models. And just how to hang it and adjust the dimmer. And the warnings and warranty info. And yeah, I can already feel these are pretty decent weight. Little ratchet hangers. And actually comes with 2 instead of 1, so that is awesome. And you got the little clips like you know, the little lights have. And Dutch's get. Alright, got a little interrupted by the dog there, sorry. She's pretty cute though. And then they're the plastic geared ones, which isn't the most ideal these days, but I mean, at least they send you 2, so they're really only taking half the weight. Well, this little light metal would be overkill. It's packaged nicely, foam on both sides, not moving around at all. Oh, that's sweet. That's almost worth it right there for 79 bucks or whatever this light is. And full disclosure, this will be a sponsored grow series on my Instagram and YouTube, Learning as I Grow 420. I'm going to do a little autoflower grow. If anyone's interested, feel free. But yeah, it's decent built. It's not real flimsy. I like how they have their logo on there. Let's see if I can. I imagine it's like the SMD diodes, but you can't see anywhere it's stamped on there. With the logo. And I guess it did. This lip came in, not Mars Hydro's fault, I'm saying, but it came in bent, which I'm not. It could have been something in shipping, or you know, things happen. It's not going to affect how the light works, so no complaint. I'm not going to knock any points unless they roll it back like that for a reason. Which now that I look at it, they do. Scratch that. So yeah, that's just the design. So sorry about the scare there. Let me pause this and get this thing hanging, and then we'll plug it in. See where we go from there. Alright, magically got it hanging there. And I will tell you, these decals while I had it paused. I slapped a couple on there. Thank you, Mars Hydro. Pretty sick stickers, I gotta say. I'm pretty psyched. Go up on the wall. Get this pulled up and turned on and see what we got going here. Yeah, if you guys want to see these Barney's Farm Pineapple Express autos get grown out under this Mars Hydro 600, I will be on YouTube and Instagram at Learning As I Grow 420. Plugging it in, unplug the other one. Yeah, doesn't look too shabby. Pretty nice white light. No dimmer. Which I'll see how this one grows out of plant. I just grew one out under a very similar one. Flies on 600 dimmable. So I don't like this small. I don't really give it too much focus on a dimmer. You can pull it up, so definitely not knocking points off for that either. This one looks much brighter already just in the few seconds I've had it up, so. Yeah, awesome. So for an $80 light, what I see so far, I mean, I'd say it's worth a shot. I hope you all enjoyed and have a good evening. Happy growing, everyone.